Hi, my name is Marlon Quintero, and I'm going to be your instructor in the Innovation for Media Content Creation for the Business Professional class. TV producer for over 30 years, and I have been working in the UK, in the US, and Latin America, creating and producing content for different clients, such as the BBC or the Weather Channel in the US, for which we got the chance to get an Emmy, and also for clients in Latin America, such as Televisa or Amazon. So the key purpose of this class is for you to learn how you can implement innovation in the process of creation of content that it's going to be the base for your communication strategy. This course is addressed or prepared for the communication professionals, also for the marketing professional or specialist, for branding specialist, and any leader or entrepreneur, business owner that want to understand how they can create solid communication strategies based on content. Communication strategies today are no longer just like in the written space. They have a combination of video or audio assets that you need to be able to prepare and to make work in a very complementary way in order to reach out your consumer in a very dynamic way. Ultimately, the process of innovation is going to be explained. You're going to go through a very hands-on stage in which you're going to be understanding firsthand how to implement the 6 parts that compose this process of innovation, the implementation of the process of innovation in terms of a strategy, in terms of exploration, in terms of concept development or prototyping, in terms of how you sell internally your communication strategy, and finally how you develop and produce it. You're going to see how this course is going to help you and give you the tools you need to create the best communication strategy you can think of. Enroll now and you are going to enjoy and learn about innovation for media content creation for the business professional as you are. Okay, I hope to see you then, and thank you so much for this time.